Hello food lovers and welcome back. Today we're making beef rendang. This dish originated in Indonesia and is also popular throughout Malaysia. The secret to cooking a good one is that you must cook it for a long time until the meat has become almost broken apart and most of the liquid has evaporated away. This dish is considered so special that it's often served at ceremonies. Are you ready to cook? Okay, let's go. Firstly, add the beef into a mixing bowl and season with some salt and pepper and mix well. Next, we're going to make the curry paste. For this, we're going to need 1 onion, a piece of ginger, 1 tablespoon of Sambal Olek, 1 red chilli, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 cloves of garlic, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add all these ingredients into a blender along with a small drop of water. And blitz for about 30 seconds. Next, heat some oil in a pan and cook the curry paste for about 10 minutes. Add the beef into the curry paste and cook that for about 5 minutes. Add in the coconut milk and the tamarind water. To make the tamarind water, simply mix some dried tamarind with some boiling water. Add in some curry leaves, 1 cut up Kafffir lime leaf, and 1 stalk of lemongrass. Bring the curry up to a boil. Then turn down the heat and cover with a lid. Cook for about 2.5 hours, stirring occasionally. After 2.5 hours, most of the liquid should have evaporated away and the meat should be very tender. Serve immediately with some freshly cooked rice. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. Full recipe is in the description below. And see you next time.